Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beginner to Nina channel. If you're looking for a $200 DigitalOcean promo code, you're in the right place. The link to sign up and redeem your credits is in the description below. Today, I'm excited to share with you the latest updates on how to get your hands on this amazing promo code. After digging deep, I found that DigitalOcean is currently offering a $200 promo code for new users. To claim this promo code, simply follow these easy steps. Go to DigitalOcean's website and sign up for an account. Use the link in the description during the registration process. Get verified and start using your $200 credits. This promo code can be used to create virtual servers, store data, manage databases, and more on DigitalOcean's platform. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to try out DigitalOcean's features without breaking the bank. Some of you might be wondering if this promo code is legit. Rest assured, I've done my research, and many users have successfully claimed their $200 promo code using this method. Make sure to check the description below for the link to sign up and redeem your credits. Also, be sure to review the terms and conditions to ensure you qualify for the promo code. That's it. If you're ready to claim your $200 DigitalOcean promo code, click the link in the description, sign up, and start exploring DigitalOcean's amazing features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for more promo code updates and tutorials, comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance, share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in claiming this promo code. Happy promoting, and I'll see you in the next video.